Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Tesla. Is Tesla stock overvalued? Should you get into it now? Should you wait? What should you do? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's episode. And if you guys get anything in value out of this video, make sure you guys hit that like button because it is greatly appreciated by me. So now let's jump into it. Don't forget that you guys can sign up with Moo and literally get a free stock just by signing up. First link down below, check them out. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So honestly, we all know Tesla cars. The CEO is Elon Musk. Now, Elon Musk is a good thing for Tesla and he's a bad thing for Tesla. The reason why is because I do think he is a creative genius. He has engineered awesome, phenomenal cars, to be honest. He really started autonomous driving, and I do think his cars are amazing. Now, the bad thing about Elon Musk is he tends to tweet things that either makes his stock price fall or gets sued. Now, he did say he was taking Tesla private at $420. This was a couple years ago, and he got sued for around $20 million by the SEC. Also, earlier this year, he did tweet out that Tesla stock price is too high, which made Tesla stock fall around 7%. Now, for being a CEO and saying your stock's overvalued is pretty crazy. So I do think there are some pros and some cons against Elon Musk. Now, over the past couple of months, we've had this whole electric auto space absolutely going crazy. We've seen Tesla go from around $1,000 to around $1,700 in like 3 weeks, which is nuts. We had ticker symbol NIO go from around, $5 hitting highs at around $16. Now, we did have Nickel Motors absolutely break out. Now, they did merge with a company, which made that stock explode, almost hitting $100, previously trading at around $20. So as you guys can see, the whole electric auto space is going berserk. Now, should you wait to get into Tesla or should you just get in? Now, Tesla is on the verge of being in the S&P 500, which is really the top 500 companies publicly traded in the United States. Now, for this to overall happen, they do have to have very good earnings on July 22nd. For this to happen, they're going to be pushed into the S&P 500, which I'm sure you guys know Warren Buffett is a huge believer that everybody should invest in the S&P 500. So if that happens, then I do think that that's going to make Tesla stock explode well over $2,000. The issue is, are they going to do good on their earnings? Now, earlier this year, they did deliver way more cars than expected, which is awesome. So yes, there could be a possibility that they could hit their earnings. But on the downside, their production line has been very, very sporadic due to this whole pandemic and this whole recession we're in. Now, I know for a fact that Elon Musk is trying to get out and produce as much cars as he can because the demand is there. The issue is people can't go to work. People can't go out. So people can't go to work and, make automobiles. Now, in my personal opinion, I do think Tesla stock right now is overvalued. I would like to see the stock fall from around $1,000 to about $1,200. If it does, I'm going to actually go ahead and average my position with Tesla because I do think that they have a lot of long-term potential in the whole electric auto space. So I'm really excited to see what happens. I understand their market value is way more than Ford, GM, and Chrysler, but really I do think electric vehicles are the wave of the future. So now let's actually go ahead and turn to the computer, look at support, resistance, and where I kind of see this stock going. I'm super excited. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol TSLA. That is Tesla's ticker. So if you guys want to pull up a chart, that is how you guys find it. So you guys can see that this stock was actually really trading between $400 and around $177. Now this stock has absolutely exploded, hitting highs at almost $1,800 per share. Now Tesla did have this previous push up here to around 1,000 before selling off and hitting this 200 moving average line, and then really no signs of stopping, absolutely exploded and almost hit $1,800. Now, looking at the RSI, you guys can see that Tesla's stock price is in the overvalued territory. Now, just because the stock price is in that territory does not mean that it's going to go down. The way for it to go down is for people to get out of their position, sell their shares, and the stock will fall. Now, I do think that a lot of people have this thing called FOMO right now, fear of missing out, which has made Tesla stock way more overvalued than it needs to be. I do think that this stock could definitely hit over $2,000, but it's going to have to get into the S&P 500 and get in all those ETFs and index funds. Once it does that, then they're going to make a lot more money and their stock's going to explode. But realistically, right now in the market state we're in, I do think that this stock is rated to be around $1,000 to about $1,200. Now that means for this stock to fall around another $200 to $300 before you get into it. So should you wait? Now, here's the thing. If you guys are a long-term believer in Tesla, I do think that there is a lot of long-term potential. Now, if you guys think that they're going to do good on their earnings, then actually go ahead and get in right now because there's going to be no signs of stopping it once it gets into the S&P 500. But me personally, I do think it's kind of a 50-50 chance. Production slowed down, and they did actually deliver a lot more cars than expected. So I'm kind of in this undecided territory. I do have a couple shares of Tesla, but for me to average my position in, I would like to have this stock fall to around $1,000 to $1,200. I do think that's the fair price for it. But I'm super excited for July 22nd. So make sure you guys keep this stock on watch. Basic support and resistance. Some support right here at around 800. Resistance up here at a 1800. Now the reason why this is support, because it's old resistance turned into new support. Boom. Basic chart reading skills. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bam.